What do users require at their sites of operation? Working environment. Environmental problems. Confronting issues our customers face. To become a market leader in our industry. In both Japan and the world. Customer job sites require performance, durability, and after-sales service. More than anything.
品質。うちの強みであるのは品質っていうのは間違いないんで。
Construction should always proceed according to schedule without any delay. Fukuoka, Japan. Celebrating 70 years from its establishment, TOKU Pneumatic Company Limited has become one of the market leaders to a wide variety of pneumatic products in Japan and the world by continuing to strive for consistent quality, which customers desire most.
メイドインジャパンとしていいものをやはり供給し続けると。この製品を使うと間違いないと。性能もいいし壊れにくいし壊れてもサービスもしやすいしと。そういうふうなトークブランドというのが世界で認知されてくるようになったというふうに思う。
The history of TOKU. In 1937, when the coal industry held a major share of the world's energy supply, Nobuta Nagatomi established TOKU Pneumatic Tool Manufacturing Company to meet the market demand for the manufacturing and servicing of pneumatic products for coal mine use. As a means to answer to various requests from sales to the servicing of coal mining products during the post-war recovery period in Japan, the sales division in 1955 became an independent entity. In 1958, the company name was changed to TOKU Pneumatic Company Limited and set up branches in Tokyo and Osaka. Thereafter, offices were added throughout Japan. During Japan's growth of rapid economic growth, where many industries prospered, TOKU answered to a wide variety of customer needs. In order to answer to the needs of our customers, it was necessary to shed the company image as an air tool manufacturer. In 1982, TOKU Pneumatic Tool Manufacturing Company Limited succeeded in the development of the hydraulic breaker, which grew as our leading product. Thereafter, answering to the increase in demand for excavator attachments, TOKU expanded the business to handle a wide variety of attachment products, thus growing as a manufacturer instead of just being a sales and trading company. To enter the huge American market, TOKU America Incorporated was established in 2010 in the state of Ohio. Presently, our sales network has expanded to cover approximately 60 countries worldwide. Having become one of the market leaders in the industry, TOKU Pneumatic Company Limited celebrates its 70th year anniversary in 2025. TOKU's hydraulic breaker, which provides high-impact energy and durability. Simple structure reduces defects and yet produces high-impact energy. The accumulator-free design is supported in all models, including our large-capacity class types, something unavailable anywhere else in the world. Used at quarry sites, underwater application at bank protection works, redevelopment projects, and natural disaster site. So our products can be used at harsh work sites where limited and tight schedules are required. Ever since our establishment, we've built up our know-how, aiming to reduce the burden on workers. TOKU's impact wrenches boast overwhelming durability, utilized for vehicle maintenance from passenger cars to large trucks, at various assembly plants and other places. Required tightening and loosening torque differs at each job site, while delivering the required performance consistently with precision. Material handling for moving heavy objects. We strive to receive high customer acclaim through our know-how we've developed throughout these years. Advanced heat treatment and processing technology from TOKU Pneumatic Tool Manufacturing, a TOKU Group company, has made it possible to achieve stable quality and high durability. The TOKU Group has accumulated its know-how for nearly 90 years. We provide our customers with a detail-oriented after-sales service. To become a market leader in Japan and the world,
地球温暖化だとか、それから労働力不足だとか、世の中の変化に対応する商品をこれからももっと積極的に出していきたいと思ってるんですけども、いろんな技術革新があってもやはり私としては最終的にやっぱり大事だと思うのは人と人とのつながりだというふうに思ってます。